Hi, my name's Tony Gedge and I want to ask you a very powerful question. How would you like to work 2 days clinically a week? You might think it's a tall promise, but it's not. I'll tell you about that in a second. But first let me tell you a story. 8 years ago, 25 dentists met in a room in Nottingham, and it wasn't actually even a room, it was a tent. In attendance of that meeting was Don Sloss, John Swarbrick from Farsley Dental, Karen Sutton from Beacon Dental, Chris Branfield from Castle Park Dental, and some other dentists that you may not know as well. And this year we are preparing for Treasure Map 9. So that event 8 years ago was the first treasure map experience ever, and in January 2015 we have our 9th treasure map experience, and we've grown from 25 dentists and we're now going to be hitting a target of having 200 in Liverpool on the 23rd and 24th of January 2015. And let me tell you who is speaking there. We've got Jeff Ram. Now Jeff Ram is what we call a celebrity patient customer service expert. Jeff Ram is going to ask you a powerful question, and he asked me this question and he said, Tony, he said, if a member of the royalty or a celebrity phoned up one of your members' practices and said, I'm coming in there in 5 hours' time, what would happen to your practice? And that's really what we need to do with extreme customer service, that we have to treat every patient as a celebrity every single time. So Jeff Ram is going to be indoctrinating us with celebrity patient service. We've got Steve Trister. Steve Trister is a comedian and he's an amazing presenter, and he's going to show you and your team how to convert more patients, how to communicate more effectively with your patients as well. So I'm going to tell you in a minute how you can get down to 2 days clinically, which a lot of our members are doing right now. So we've got Callie Gedge speaking. Callie Gedge is the partner in Marketing Pirates of Dentistry with myself, Tony Gedge, and Callie runs the Diamond Practice Managers Club. So she's going to be sharing with you all the insights from 2014 of how her practice managers have been exceeding you, the principal's expectations. We've got Vicky Crawley from Farsley Dental, who's been doing a lot of what we call doctor-to-doctor marketing. So if you want more peer referrals for implants, straight teeth, perio, endo, whatever it is, then Vicky Crowley is very successful at getting dentists into John's practice, and then obviously gaining more referrals and building relationships as well. We've got Chris Branfield, the dentist from the telly, the Sensodyne TV dentist, who's been a member of with Marketing Pirates for 9 years now, and he's going to be sharing lots of marketing information and money-making information, and also how to market and to get your patients interested in lasers. Chris has spent a 2-year journey on finding out what the best lasers to use, how to market those, how to differentiate yourself within your practice. We've got Teresa Day, who's going to be talking about the Elvis tooth tour, the John Lennon tooth tour, how to get your team into having more fun in your practice whilst at the same time improving your profits. Then we've got Mike Leach from MPOD, who's going to be talking about social media marketing, the truth, the myths, the facts, the follies. He's going to talk about pay-per-click. He's going to talk about how to get more new patients online. And then you've got myself, Tony Gedge. I'm going to be sharing with you lots of insights from our 2 premium mastermind groups, which is called the Royal Ruby Red. And these guys and girls are really pushing the boundaries in terms of measuring your practice promises. Do you have 3 practice promises? Do you have one overarching big promise for your patients to vastly differentiate you? So I'm going to be sharing lots of insights that have grown these practices on average 25% a year. So anywhere from 250,000 turnover all the way up to a couple of million as well. These guys and girls are growing on average 25% a year. So how can we get you down to 2 days clinically? How can we give you the more freedom to go and enjoy your life and do the things that you want to do instead of being chained to your chair? Well, the answer really is that you have to mix with other dentists that are actually doing that are doing 2 days a week. So I'm going to invite you to request some further information for Treasure Map 9, which is join the Liberating Dental Revolution. If you want to massively grow your practice in 2015, if you want to grow your profits, if you want to develop your people more, then you really have to come to Treasure Map. It's our 9th Treasure Map experience. If you want to be around and network and share and gain information from an incredible group of dentists and hygienists and associates and practice managers and receptionists, then really you need to be at Treasure Map 9, 23rd, 24th of January. Please fill in the box at the side here for more information and to see whether you're eligible to grow your practice at least 25% in 2015. I look forward to seeing you then.